is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I did this brown smoky eye cut crease for the fall. If you like what you are seeing and if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. Alright boo, so we're gonna just jump right into this look. So as you can see, I already filled in my eyebrows, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to get that out the way, but we're gonna be starting off with face, okay? So I'm gonna be jumping into this Lauder. Y'all already know this be feeling like a minor Vaseline. My menstrual is on, so my face has been acting so crazy. Like, it's like other people popping on my face. Like, this looks like a whole person. Like, they big. Like, come on. So next we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty, and we're going to just take some of this, and I'm going to take a little extra just to shield these bumps a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Rub it in, but kind of like pat it in today, because I want to make sure that that foundation grips on that primer real good. You ever seen people with that crater face? Like, all right. Moving right along, so I'm going to be jumping into the Rich Chocolate. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer, and I'm just going to cover all my blemishes just like that. But how you been, boo? Like, what's been going on? I've been doing pretty good, just working. So now I'm gonna be jumping into foundation, and y'all already know I'll be jumping into the Estee Lauder lately because this is the new foundation that I really have been feeling, okay? Oh, and I had it the wrong way, my bad, right here. Y'all already know, okay? I have been watching like some stuff on YouTube because I like to watch, you know, little stuff on YouTube or whatever. And I had came across Paris Hilton documentary. When I tell you guys, I really loved her documentary. It was like, yo, she is like so thorough. I feel like I kind of can relate to Paris more since I've seen it. You know what I'm saying? It was really based on like her life and of her being the original influencer, which we all know. She's been doing it. I used to watch Single Life back in the day with her and what's Lionel Richie's daughter name? I forgot. Nicole Richie, yeah. I was watching that all the time. My mom used to be like, what the hell is this? But we used to be cracking up. It was so funny. I don't want to tell the whole entire story, but I will say that she really be having bad dreams and stuff like that. And she just talked about like living in fame and like not trusting people. I'm gonna jump into this MAC Dark Deep. But yeah, she just said she didn't trust a lot of people. We're gonna be jumping into the Deep Cinnamon. I was like, I understand why, you know, she doesn't trust anybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, she even spoke about like stuff about her family and stuff like that. It's something that you definitely need to see. I was like, wow, it's really, really hard to trust people, especially when you're in that limelight or if you're getting any kind of success, because some people can see that you're going to be successful and try to cling on to you and stuff like that. Like, you have to be very, very mindful. And I think that right there, even though it was like the hardest lesson a person can learn, like somebody really leaking your sex tape. That's like my husband, me and him boyfriend and girlfriend, and you leaking my tape. Like, what is that? You feel what I'm saying? But my grandma always told me, I'm jumping into this Fenty too, boo. It is the 350. My grandma always told me, somebody that want to be your friend so bad or come across like real clingy, you gotta watch them and keep them away from you. You know, that was a lesson that she had to learn the hard way, because sometimes we do have to learn stuff the hard way. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let this dry down just a little bit. I'm gonna be jumping into my Fenty contour in the color Chocolate. You know, you just really have to be careful. It's just so much that people go through with fame. You know what I mean? You just gotta be close to God. I feel like the closer you are to God, the closer God will give you the discernment, that spiritual talk inside of you to tell you which way to go. We all got an intuition. I don't care how much you love that man. If you know he cheating, You just don't want to leave them alone. It's too good. You know, I've been there. I've been there. But you got the intuition. We all got it. You just choose to stay. You choose not to listen to it. And sometimes when you don't be listening to it, shit happens. I listens to mine, period. You know? Who be watching Power? You be watching Power? At first I was like, I ain't gonna be watching Power. This is boring. That first episode to me was boring. And Jean like, yo, chill. This just one episode. I'm like, I don't wanna watch it. It's boring. And then it started getting good. Tyreek being a little bit like his dad, reminding me of Tasha and Ange. It's really getting good, y'all. I'm really liking it. I be hype. I swear I be hype. And Mary J, y'all know I love Mary J. It's so crazy because I am interested in seeing how Mary J and Tasha communicate, because even though Mary J, you know, she a beast at what she do, but Tasha, they come from some real, like, Ghost is that bull, Tommy that bull. Oh, I love Tommy. I hope Tommy come back. That was my man on the low. Like, I used to be like, Jing, Tommy my man, because they some killers, but they messing with some killers. You feel me? But yeah, other than that, I haven't been really watching anything. I just really been working, but I miss P Valley though. I can't wait till they come back on. I'm so excited to see like how that's gonna turn out. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, and I watched that movie. What is it called? With Janelle Monáe? I forgot what it's called. It start with an A. Drop it in the comments if you know. That movie was so crazy, right? Janelle Monáe, she played that movie really, really good. Me and my husband actually seen it like last week or whatever. That movie right there, y'all need to go see. I'm going to be jumping into my e.l.f. setting powder, and this is in the color tan. Oh, if you haven't seen that, see it. It's on Amazon Prime. You do got to pay for it though. It's probably like what, $20? Shoot, ain't nobody going to the movies. All right, now since we have that down, I'm going to be jumping into this e.l.f. bronzer. I've been loving this bronzer. I can't find my bronzer brush, so we're going to be using this one right here. This is a Morphe brush. It doesn't have a name, but it's a little big, but we all right. But it's doing good though. It's not doing too bad. So now since we have that down, we're going to jump right into eyes. Hey, do you see that? Yeah, you wasn't going to say shit, huh? You out of order. And you gotta just be real quiet with this. I'm just gonna blend this in. All right, my boo, so now we're going to be jumping into the Carnival palette, taking Intuition, stamping this brown right here in my outer, and right now I'm just stamping the product on there, getting as much product on there as I want, bringing it a little bit in my crease, also making sure I blend it. Now since we have that down, I'm going to be jumping into this color right here, and that is Haul with my M454 brush. Lightly blowing this out just a little bit because I want it a little blowed out, but not so much, you know? And of course, you're going to lose that brown, so you're going to jump right back into that brown and just blend it up. And we're going to jump into the M506 brush, and I'm going to just take a little bit of this black, darken up my crease. All right, we have those down or whatever. So now we're going to be jumping into cutting these creases, okay? Lately, y'all, I haven't been cleaning it up. I just been being a G and going right in. You know? So I'm gonna just blend the edges out, just tapping it, blending it. Then I'm going to jump into that haul. All right, so next I'm going to be using really quick this shimmer for the inner part, and it is called Splendor. And I'm gonna just be laying it just like this. We're going to be jumping right into that dark brown. Put that right under our eye. And now since we have that down, we're going to just jump into that haul. We're going to bring that right on the edge. blowing that out right under. Prep real good for lashes. And then I'm gonna pop my lashes on, and then I'm gonna come right back. Alright, so we have that down. So for lip, we're going to be chilling. We're going to be using my little Morphe Trendsetter. So next we're going to be jumping into this cute Morphe lip. This is the Gypsy. And I'm going to just take this and... yes, giving you brown nude. Jump into this L by Lime Crime. And I'm going to just take this and just go like this. Then we already know we take that Morphe setting spray. So this is the final look. Like, I'm really feeling this look like it's nothing. This look is definitely an example of trusting the process, because in the beginning I was not feeling this look at all, keeping it a whole 100, you dig? But I love the way this look came out. So if you are feeling this look too, make sure you leave me a comment down below, and also do not forget to smash that like button. Also, my boo, if you made it this far to the video, I mean like right here, you might as well subscribe, and also hit that notification bell button too while you at it, because you need to be notified for my videos, period. Okay, but I love you guys so much. I really appreciate my boos for watching this video, and you already know, boo, I'ma see you in my next video, period. Mwah. Peace.